Hello team, welcome back to Bit Trading. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through what has happened within the price of Bitcoin and what we expect to happen within the price of Bitcoin so that we can actually profit off of these price movements. If that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn that bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video until the end because I am going to give you some very valuable levels that we are interested in trading and can help you actually profit off of these price movements. And before we jump into the charts, make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join Bit Trading here. You can gain access to the free courses we have available there for you, and you can also gain access to the Visionary Discord, where I gave this short setup to my team over on the Visionary Discord a few days ago. Okay, and as you can see, we took TP2 at over 215%. So this was a really profitable short position for us. Okay. And yeah, if you want to make trades like this, make sure you head over to bittrading.uk. But enough of that, let's jump straight on into the charts and have a look at what is going on with Bitcoin. So of course, we had that short position that I gave you guys over on the Visionary Discord. Okay, that was a short position from this level up here. There was a lot of confluence coming in. Okay, we were coming into the high of the local range. Okay, we were also coming into this VWAP here. Okay, and we were also forming a number of bearish indications, and that was enough for me to actually enter into that short position there. Okay, we got a failed auction of the break towards the upside of that parallel channel. Okay, so we entered into the short, and what happened? Well, the price pulled back. Okay, and over here on YouTube, and I've been telling my team over on the Visionary Discord and the daily market updates as well, you know, I have been looking for a certain level. Okay, what was that level? Well, that level was $25,271. I've been looking for that level for a very long time. I was very confident here on YouTube that that level would be hit. You can have a look at my thumbnails. You can go through the videos from the last week and a half. And I have been saying 25,271 is the level that I'm looking at the price coming down to. So that's why I was short on the price of Bitcoin. I was so confident on that. I was telling you in the videos that it's almost definitely going to happen. Okay, there was so much liquidity at that level that there was just a huge magnet, okay, for the price to come to. So yeah, I gave that to my team on the Visionary Discord. Okay, that's why we entered the short, and I also told you guys here on YouTube. And yeah, from there I said that I was going to flip neutral. Okay, and we're going to look, are we looking bullish at that moment in time, or are we looking bearish and looking for lower prices? Okay, and what happened is I actually got bullish at that level, and I told my team that I was entering into a long position. Okay, so if we go ahead, we can see that after this short position, taking profit on that short position, what did I tell my team? Okay, I said a hedged long for me. Okay, this was the setup that I gave my team. Okay, unfortunately, that long position did get stopped out. Okay, hedged long unfortunately hit stop loss. Okay, it did hit the stop loss. That is unfortunate, but okay, but the initial thesis, okay, of the move was correct. Okay, yes, that long got stopped out. Okay, we had another push towards the downside before that initial push towards the upside. Okay, only a very slight pullback. Okay, so you know, if I had my stop loss a little bit lower, okay, we would still be in that trade. Unfortunately, it did get stopped out. Okay, you can't win every single trade when you're every single trade that you take. Okay, it's impossible to win every single trade. What we do here at Bit Trading is try to win the majority of our trades, and that is what we do. This is our first losing trade in a while now. Okay, our win rate is around 80%. Okay, so we have a really profitable win rate. Okay, so that long position, okay, was, you know, it was the right thing to do. Okay, we just set that stop loss a little bit too high. We should have pulled it back a little bit. Okay, and we would still be in that trade, and that would be a really profitable trade. Okay, so that's what's happened within Bitcoin. Okay, we've profited off this pullback here. Unfortunately, we couldn't profit off of this pump here. Okay, we tried to, but unfortunately we just hit that stop loss. But, okay, now we need to look for that next trade. That is the goal here. We need to look for that next trade. So what are the next levels that I'm interested in trading? Okay, well, as you can see here, okay, I've moved the levels all around already. Okay, so I'm not going to do that in the video. Okay, what we have done, okay, is we have moved the previous local range, the local range low, okay, to the newly formed local range low, okay, at, okay, this level here, $24,850 approximately. Okay, we have a new low there. So this is the only longing opportunity that I'm seeing as of right now. Okay, if we come down to this low of the range, okay, and we actually tap this level, okay, we could actually look for another long position. Okay, that could be a very, very valid long position if we see the bullish confirmation and the bullish confluence at that level. Okay, so that's the only long position that I would be looking for at this moment in time. Okay, however, there are more levels that we can actually trade, and those are actually short positions. Okay, so we have the local range high here, okay, from this level that we shorted there, and we also have this internal high here, and then the high of the much larger range up here as well. So those are the three levels I'm looking at shorting. Okay, so this first level here, okay, the local range high, I'm looking for that to be tapped and the bearish indications and the bearish confluence to flash, and then we could possibly enter into that short position. Okay, if we don't see any of the bearish indications and the bearish confluence, what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for higher prices. Okay, we're looking to break out of the range, and we're looking to come to this internal high here, where if we see the bearish indications, okay, the bearish confirmation, we could enter into a nice short position there. Okay, that would be the next level I would be looking to short. However, okay, if we break above this level, and then we continue on and break above this level, okay, then we're looking at the price coming up to the range high, okay, the much larger range high, okay, and from there, if we see the bearish confirmation, the bearish confluence, what can we do? Well, we can enter into a short position at that level, okay, that would be a really, really nice short entry, okay, and I would prefer to short, the initial range high, okay, but if I see the confirmation here, or if I see the confirmation here, then of course I will enter into the trade there, because there is that possibility that we could get that pullback, okay, but from the range high, that would be the strongest shorting opportunity for us, okay, but again, we don't have to target that range high, okay, because if we do, then we could miss out on a short here, or we could miss out on a short there as well. So those are the four levels that I am interested in trading as of right now. Okay, of course, things can change as price goes on. We could form a new internal low. Okay, this could be another internal level that we're looking to actually long from. Okay, that could be a possibility. But yeah, as of right now, these are the four levels that I'm interested in trading. If any of these levels get broken, then we're either looking for lower prices or higher prices, depending if we break the resistance or the support. Yeah. Another thing that I'm looking at is the VWAP, okay? On the 2 hour, it's been very well respected. You can see here, big pullback, okay? Here again that we shorted, big pullback, okay? As of right now, what have we done? We've actually broken above this VWAP here, okay? Which we can take as a slight bullish sign, okay? Of course, we had the initial range, local range low here. What did we get here? A failed auction, very bullish, okay? So we got that push towards the upside. Now, okay, we are getting more strength, okay? More bullish strength coming in. Now we've broken above the major resistance VWAP here, okay? If we can continue to hold this, then we can look for higher prices, okay? And when I say I'm looking for higher prices, okay, I'm looking for 26,436 first, okay? If we don't see the bearish confirmation and the bearish confluence there to short, okay, then I'm looking for 27,616, where we could look for a short, like I said, okay, and if we break that, then we're looking to short the range higher, okay? So, at the moment, I am looking for higher if we can hold above this VWAP, okay? So I am bullish on the price of Bitcoin, but being bullish for me could just mean that we come up to 26,436 and then we get a dump from there. That could, that very small movement could be that bullishness that I'm looking for, okay? Here at Bit Trading, we like to trade the reactions, okay? We don't try and, predict that, this level is definitely going to see a rejection, okay? And we set a limit order here. No, that's not how you trade. That's not how you should trade. That is how you destroy your trading account. What you want to do is wait for your level to be tapped and look for the reaction. Check for the reaction. Is it looking bearish at this level here that I'm looking to short? If it is, then we can short it, okay? So that first level I'm looking at is 26,436, where we could possibly short. So that is the price target that I'm currently targeting. So I am bullish. Yes, it's a small movement, but okay, initially just looking for that level. Okay, yeah, if we do come to the 3 hour quickly, we can actually see that we're still respecting this VWAP here on the 3 hour. So, if we get a break above the VWAP on the 3 hour here, then we're, probably going to come up here. But if we continue to get rejected from it on the 3 hour, then we could actually just come to the lower price target here. So we have to stay aware of the other time frames as well. The 4 hour actually has broken above it. The 3 hour hasn't. Okay, so right now I'm leaning more towards the chart's frozen, leaning more towards the 3 hour probably will break out. Or, you know, what could happen is we just come up to this level, see the rejection, and the 3 hour actually just, you know, continues to get respected there. We'll have to see. It doesn't really matter. We'll have to see. Okay, just checking for the reaction at either one of those levels. So, yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. If you want to join the Visionary Discord, click the link in the description, head over to bittrading.uk, smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this update, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.